What's up, guys? I'm Tare. I trade prop firms to survive. So, earlier this year, I started with a challenge to kind of like trade prop firms. Then I'll be able to make enough money from there to make like 1k, then get musical equipment and stuff like that. That was my goal. So, you can see the video right here.
Hello everyone, I'm King Tamara, a struggling content creator that stopped creating to focus on forex. 2022, I failed in a music audition, and because of this, I told myself I wasn't going to create again until I get better equipment. Ever since then, I've been trying to make my first 1k from trading forex, but I've failed back to back. It's 2 years now, and I have not settled for a trading strategy that I would apply on a 10k account I just got. Will I make my 1k and get this musical equipment and start making music back? Only God knows. How long will it take me? Only God knows. Follow me as I unravel this bereavingly trail, because I'll be posting my weekly P&L on YouTube. Let's get it.
In that challenge, I was able to get 1k in total payouts, but I was trying to survive with that money, and then I later blew the account. So in my YouTube channel, I'll be showing you some major things to prevent you from blowing your account, how to scale up in a prop firm, you get scale up using prop firms, and I'll be documenting everything on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, here are my new trading plans and some rules to prevent me from making such mistakes again. So basically, we have the first trading rules, should I say my trading affirmation, which is only trade direction of the market. Yeah, so I have a rule that actually tells me direction of the market and tells my daily buyers. So I'll only be taking that, like my trades based on direction of the market, and only prepare entry from a candle that taps a valid level. So there's a way I draw levels on the candle on the market, right? And it's until the candle gets to that level before I can take a trade from there. So only put entry on a candle that taps a valid level. Yeah, it's just almost the same things to prevent some like irrational entries. Like for example, if you see large liquidity now and market at tap the level, you'll be eager to enter, but I totally enter after that candle is being like taken out, something like that. I'll be explaining these things better on my like during the journey and the daily weekly videos that I'll be putting out, so, and I'll also be dropping some signals on my Telegram channel every single trade I take. So risk management, 7% of what is left in the account. For example, if I have $700 left in the account, no sorry, if I have $100 left in the account, 7% is $7 of the account. So if I have $300 left, I'll be risking only 21%. Hope you get. So that's that, right? Yeah, that's that. So only trade one trade per day. So I can only take one trade per day, which is normal for proper risk management, or yeah, to prevent over trading. Then only have a minimum of 2 losses per week. So if I lose on Monday and lose on Tuesday, that's it. If I lose on Monday, have a break-even trade on Tuesday, then lose on Wednesday, that's it for the week. Also to prevent like mad losing streaks, because the moment the losses starts like becoming too much, the more difficult it is to respect your trading rules. So this is also a trading rule that will prevent the losses from becoming extremely much. In situations of late entry, make sure the risk isn't exceeded and TP is at where TP is at where an early entry TP should have been. So what does that basically mean? That means that like if market had already passed where I'm supposed to enter from, I would still enter that trade, but my risk to reward will no longer be 1:2. You get me? So my risk to reward will be basically where I entered, then I would be definitely risking the proper amount I'm supposed to risk. Then my TP would be where the TP is supposed to be if or should in case I had entered early. So you get, so those are the rules I'm going to be like following from now onwards. And um I will be making one video for the like one video to like show my trades review and P&L on a weekly basis. I'll be dropping that video on Sunday, every Sunday, right? I'll be dropping that video on every Sunday. Then I'll be making a minimum of one short YouTube videos, and I'll be saying some trading tips. So that'll be that'll be my trading journey documentation on YouTube. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. So it's going to be massive. And this, you can also follow the Telegram channel for free and take my signals. So yeah, proper risk management, focus on compounding, and that's it. So move from there. It's not about how long it takes. It's not like we're trying to like rush it. This time we're trying to like take it slow, since we already know the main basics of trading. So I'll see you there.